Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This tutorial is going to be absolutely fire because it's going to be super easy for all my beginner ladies that need a wig, or if you have a TWA, teeny weeny afro like I do. This is going to be super easy. Like, this is a headband wig, but we can also wear it as a half wig. So right now I'm just showing you how I install it. Literally takes a few seconds. All I do is take the headband part and I tuck it up under itself. That way it can like flip. And yeah, that's how you put the headband away so that you can start having some leave out. So I'm going to be using some As I Am curling jelly for my leave out. Now you can use whatever defines your curls. This is just something that defines mine. You can use a gel or even like a souffle or some type of smoothing, curling something so that your curls can be as defined as the wig. Everybody who subscribed to me knows Got to Be Gel is the only edge control I like using, but I also used it on my hair a little bit just so that my hair could, my leave out can like dry how I wanted it to. So I used a little bit of that on my actual leave out. So this is just me doing my edges, and then this is just me just blending those curls into the other curls. Make sure your headband is completely tucked. Mine started to pop out a little bit because I had it pulled back a little bit too far, but yeah, make sure you have it absolutely tucked so that you can't see it at all. But yeah, this is me just doing my edges, and what I'm gonna do here is just pin my leave out to the wig so that it dries in place. Now right here you can just take some of your leave out and the wig and twist it together. That way it's just combined. This just gives like an easier, like seamless look to the leave out and the wig, so there's no like, you know, clear indication that there's obviously a leave out and then the wig just starts. Okay, so after that, we're just going to, you know, frame the wig how we want it to be. We're going to add a little bit of water here. Now, I'll say for this wig, it will dry up if there's no product, just like, you know, anybody's natural hair would, because this is 100% human hair. So after adding some water, I would definitely recommend to use some product. I think this day I was like such in a rush that I just like added water and I left out the house. But make sure you add some product so that it can weigh the wig, the actual wig down. I put product on my natural hair but not on the wig. This is how my leave out and everything is looking afterwards. Super just free and easy. It's not really much of a task, but I noticed that I had left out a little bit too much leave out. It's not really necessary to leave out like a lot, just because this is a curly wig. Like, you're not going to be able to tell for real because it's just so big and curly that there's no real indication that, oh, this is your hair and this isn't your hair, you know? Look at that blend. You cannot tell. Like, just super easy. Like, this took me probably like 8 minutes to do, if anything. So if you need something like for your natural hair, you don't want to bother your natural hair, but you still want to wear curls, I will recommend this wig. Like, I love it. So right here, this is a different day. I'm going to show you guys how it looks when I'm doing like actually using the headband on the headband wig. It looks super cute, y'all. Like, if you're going for like a sporty look but still want like your curls to show, oh, this is it. So I love that this wig has combs in it. So what I usually do is just, there's 2 combs on the side and then 1 comb on the top and then a comb in the back. I just make sure that the comb in the front and the back are just like literally the 2 that are, you know, in place. That way the wig doesn't move. That's what's going to really help your wig from sliding, is the combs. Make sure you have the combs inserted into your natural hair. So here I'm just adding the water and of course some mousse. This time we're going to weigh the wig down and give it like a wet look. So we added some mousse with it. The Aussie mousse has actually been one of my favorite mousses thus far this year. I don't know why. I just think it really like just sets the style in place. So I want the curls to be elongated and not shrink up. So I'm using some clips just to dry it in place um, while I do my edges. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And of course, on my edges, I'm using Got To Be Gel. Nothing different. Like, I never switch that up. That's one thing about all my videos. Like, it's going to be consistently just Got To Be Gel. I don't like using I don't like using edge control. Like, and I know some people don't like gel buildup, but baby, I don't care. It's going to get washed out anyway. So it's like, I'm going to use it. And it just holds. Like, it gives a hold even when I'm sweating and everything else. Those pomades, like, they just turn into oil. So I can't use them for my hair. I know a lot of other people like using them. I'm just not one of them people. So this is how the wig is looking after holding it down and weighing it down with the mousse and the water. And of course the headband is out. You can put a different headband over this if you don't want to use the black one. But this is how it's looking. Just simple. Like, you can really just leave out, go to the gym, do whatever you need to do. Now let me show you again like how easy this is. I'm going to be tucking the headband wig again, but this time I'm not going to really like take out any leave out. I might have like a little bit, but not really. So if you don't really want to have leave out, but your hair obviously matches the same color as the wig, because that's important. Okay. We're just going to tuck this under, and literally the headband is gone. And I have a little bit of leave out right there at like the part. There's not really a part in the wig, but as you can see, like, I have it obviously separated in the front a little bit. So my leave out is out a little bit in the front. What I would basically do is just twist that leave out with the curls together like I showed you in the beginning. And that's it really. Like, there's not much to it. Like, the hairstyle is done. Super easy, super convenient, super cute, natural. Okay. Here is it fluffed out, because I know you guys are going to ask. And of course, I frame the wig how I see fit. Like, I like layers. It just gives it like a natural look. So it obviously all came one length, but you don't have to have it like that. You can just fluff it out and just frame it to your face to your liking. But yeah, this is the wig. I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys can purchase y'all one. Thank y'all so much for watching, and make sure you're subscribed, because I know you're probably watching this video and you're not subscribed. Like, let's make that happen and give this a thumbs up so that all the girlies can find something easy and cute to do when they don't know what to do. Okay? I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.